Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly on how you can turn off your Facebook status online and also your Messenger status online. All right, but first what you need to do, you need to update both your Facebook and your Messenger. All right, so like let me show you. You need to do like this, like go to Facebook, you need to update them. As you see, both my Facebook and Messenger, they are updated. Okay, so Facebook, then when your Facebook open like this, guys, all you need to do, guys, is to tap on those three lines that you see, guys, at the top and right. So you just need to tap that, guys. All right, you scroll down and also come to settings and privacy. All right, yeah guys, you tap on settings. All right, it's super simple, so I just don't want to delay, guys. All right, as you see, guys, as when this one, audience and visibility, all right, you need to tap on this active status. All right, guys, so show when you are active. You just need to deactivate this one. When you deactivate this one, guys, it simply means that you can be online as long as you wish, guys. No one will know that you are online. All right, so let me deactivate it like this. As you see, guys, turn off activate status. You can read this message. You won't be able to see when your friends and contact are active or recently active. All right, so I know a lot of us may need this in case, like, if we don't want people to disturb us while we are online, both your Messenger and Facebook before doing this. Okay, so just tap on your Messenger, guys. When you tap on your Messenger, you just need, guys, to tap on your profile icon there. All right, when you tap on your profile icon, guys, you tap on active status. All right, guys, you turn it off. As you see, guys, show when you are active. If you deactivate this one, guys, no one will know that you are online. All right, so it is very important, because doing this, like, if you don't like people to disturb you sometimes, so it's okay to do it, because yeah, it's cool anyway, because if you don't want no one to disturb you, guys, you can simply deactivate both, like your Facebook and Messenger status. Okay, so you can deactivate both the Facebook and Messenger status online. All right, so yeah, you turn it off like this, guys. It simply means that no one will know that you are online on Messenger. Okay, so if you found this video, guys, helpful, that is all about tutorial, guys. If you found this video helpful, guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a video, guys, you will be notified about it. Okay, so please, guys, so also if this is the first time, guys, to come to my channel, guys, please do the same thing. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. Peace.